Solving equations 1. You need to be familiar with the idea of an inverse or opposite operation. So the opposite of adding is subtracting. The opposite of plus is minus. The opposite of minus, therefore, is plus. They're opposites of each other. The opposite of multiply is divide, and the opposite of divide is multiply. So these two are opposites of each other. The other idea that we need to be aware of is a balance. So if we imagine this as being scale pans settled on a balance, then for it to remain in balance, the things on this scale pan need to be equal in weight to the things on this scale pan. So if we, for example, remove a triangle from one side, we must remove one from the other side for it to remain in balance. And if we add a weight to one side, we have to add the same weight to the other side for it to remain in balance. The same is true of equations. Let's consider this scale pan here. Let's suppose we've got a red circle on each side. Then if I multiply the number of red circles by 3, I have to do that on both sides. So you could think of that as adding 2 red circles to each side, or multiplying the number of red circles we had to start with by 3. We'll look in the examples as to how these ideas are used in order to solve equations.